Hey guys, what's going on? So before I get this drone footage from the Carnival Mardi Gras rolling, I want to talk about our 3 upcoming cruises that we currently have booked. The first one that I mentioned in the Carnival Mardi Gras vlog series was the Carnival Panorama out of Los Angeles down the Mexican Riviera. And we're actually going to Los Angeles 3 days ahead of time. So we're going to be going to Catalina Island and then exploring some of Los Angeles. Britt's never been out there. I've been there a couple times. So we're really looking forward to the adventures that we're going to be having there. After that, in September, we're going on a weekend cruise on the Carnival Sunrise. And it's going back to one of our favorite cruise ports, Half Moon Cay. Really looking forward to that. It's going to be a short cruise, but hey, it's still a cruise. And now, for one of the best ones that we've ever booked, the Carnival Celebration 8-day cruise to Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. Really looking forward to that cruise. So I hope you guys do subscribe to my channel because these vlog series are going to be absolutely epic. But now, let's get into some of the drone footage from the Carnival Mardi Gras cruise.